Try not to go raise on me. Where are you? Oh. It was a boom boom, not a quick scope. Ouch. Did you hard scope me? No. No boom booms. Hey, no knifing. Just quick scoping, come on, dude. You keep getting boom booms on me, and it's not fair. If I don't have boom booms, I have tomahawks. I didn't knife you, I tomahawk you because you boom boomed me. I'm not going to wait for you. Oh shit! Yeah, that was a boom boom. Why can't I heal you? Is it headshots only? That's why you're trying to... Oh my gosh. A cheater. Because you keep using boom booms on me. Stop, please. Please. Yeah, you are. You're not quick scoping me, you were a boom boomer. I know that was a quick scope, but you boom boomed me before. Why do I keep getting headshots? Did you put on headshots only? Put headshots only on. Yeah, I know, but it's the headshot. You put headshots only on. I know it, dude. Trying to boom. We're not gonna be friends after this if you keep boom boom. Meaning. I saw you switch and then knife me, bro. I'm not dumb. You're a real cheater. I'm just gonna leave, and that's a reach for your little YouTube channel. Okay? I'm gonna cry and see how you feel. All right? What? For bumbling me again?
RCXD inbound.
No. Why do you have to have only headshots on? I would've won. Yes, it is, because we're getting headshots on a quick scope. And you suck at that. Oh my god. I'm just so bad. I'm leaving. You made me cry 2 times already because you keep playing boom boom. Because you keep using boom booms when you say you're not. Yeah, but you almost boom boomed me. I saw it. You threw a boom boom again. Like that. You can't use those, please. Oh my god. Yeah, but you could not use it. Because I have boom booms in this class. How do you like it? Ow. How'd that kill me? We boom boomed at the same time. You Miss Funny Bear. Ow. No, oh, shoot. nigga.
Check your timeline.
Oh yeah, I boom boomed. See, you only have headshots on. That's why you're probably doing boom boom. Yeah. That's the last free kill. Woo! So, I won. I won to assess victory. Let's see how the last kill count. You did it with C4. Well, the time you did it with C4, I will have won. Alright, listen. If you didn't have headshots on, or boom booms, or knifing, then I would quick scope you hard down.